the Association of African Universities in collaboration with the World Bank and the French Development Agency presents the 8th Africa Higher Education Centers of Excellence for Development Impact Regional Workshop. Dates 14th to 18th of November 2022. Venue: the Organization of Islamic Cooperation OIC International Conference Center, the Gambia, and Zoom for virtual participants. The time is 9 a.m. each day. The workshop will be officially launched by the President of the Gambia, His Excellency President Adama Barrow. The event will also provide an opportunity for peer learning and regional knowledge sharing amongst the centers, as well as strengthen partnerships and networking. Students will be given the opportunity to showcase their research works during a poster session. Expected participants include all 53 centers of excellence, government representatives, project and higher education stakeholders. All ACE Impact stakeholders are encouraged to participate by registering here. For further inquiries, contact via email smkandarire@aau.org. The ACE Impact Project, advancing the quality, quantity and access of postgraduate education in Africa.